Hello everyone, welcome back to NKJ's Kitchen. Today I will show you how I make my delicious homemade soya milk. It's refreshing, easy to make and has a hint of ginger and sweetness. Let's get started. Ingredient: 1 cup soya milk, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger peeled, 3-4 cups water for blending and boiling, 2-3 tablespoons sugar, adjust to taste. Step to make it: soak the soya beans. Wash the soya beans thoroughly to remove dirty. Soak the soya beans in water for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. This softens them and make blending easier. To wash the soya beans: after soaking, wash the soya beans again and rub them between your hands to remove the skin. To blend the soya milk, add the soaked soya beans. To blend the soya beans, add the soaked soya beans to a blender with enough water. Blend until smooth. To strain the soya milk, pour the blended mixture into a sieve or use a cheesecloth to separate the liquid soya milk from the pap. Collect the soya milk in a clean pot. To boil the soya milk, pour the soya milk on the stove and bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally to prevent stinking. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once boiled, allow the soya milk to cool down completely. To prepare the ginger water, peel the ginger and place it in a small bowl of water. Let it sit for a while to infuse the water with each flavor. To sweeten the soya milk, dissolve a little sugar in a ginger water. In the ginger water, pour the ginger water into the cooled soya milk and mix thoroughly. And to store the soya milk, transfer the cooled soya milk into a clean sterilized bottle or jar. Use a funnel for easy pouring. Seal the bottle tightly and store them in the refrigerator. The soya milk can be stored for up to 3 to 4 days. Shake well before serving. Your homemade soya milk with ginger and sugar is ready to enjoy, whether served warm or chilled. It's nutritious and refreshing drink. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. And thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll.